So this is going to be my both furnace and wood gasifier. I've been welding this up for a while now. I'm just adding this centerpiece right here. Maybe get it a little more lift because it'll be taller. Been collecting those helium tanks to make this. Got my little welding rack here. So got the cheapest welding machine from Harbor Freight, Chicago Electric. It does okay. Show you around on this. Got my metal table there. Got scrap metal. Or I power it all. I know it says trip ham. I got my wire brush on there. It does the job. So I'll come through and I'll sharpen blades or I'll fix stuff up. But this video is about this. So put that on there. Put this on there. There's also this trap so we can let stuff fall out, which is what I'll be using when I want to throw the batteries in here to get the lead out. The lead will just fall out the bottom there. I'll get some kind of steel canister to hold what falls out. Right here is the hole for the gasification. Now, to make this a furnace, I need to cover that hole up so the draw comes up here. So that's one of the things I'll be doing. So this is an inflatable mattress pump. It uses it to blow air up these pipes and heat up the coal once I got it in there. It's about this loud. Highest powered one you can get at Walmart. Well, at my Walmart. Over here I got charcoal that's been sitting here a while. Might be wet. But that's it. Yeah. We'll just put some in there. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of gas on it just to get it started. Not really that much. Enough to heat it up. That's what I didn't want. The flames to come out through there. But oh well. Maybe when that gets hotter, it'll suck it up. Okay, so we're finally burning off the paint. That's what all that smoke is. There should be very little smoke from the actual burning of the wood because we're kind of turbocharging it. And as you can see, there's no smoke coming out the top or the side. All that smoke is from the burning paint. Burning off the paint means I'll be better prepared to weld it. That's why I'm going ahead and doing this before I'm finished. Seems to me that taller is not necessarily better. I remember it preheating a lot quicker than this. It might be because the coal's wet, or the charcoal's wet. But just remember it getting a lot hotter a lot quicker. Might also be the all the gaps that I haven't welded up yet. Once I finish this and I get my chunks of battery, because I'm going to cut them up with a Sawzall, I'm throwing them in here, plastic and all. It'll just melt that plastic. I'll put a tray under there to catch all the lead. Everything else should float to the surface of the lead if it stays hard enough. And then we should be able just to scrape it off. There might be some impurities in the lead, which is a different process entirely. In fact, we'll probably be getting other metals mixed in with the lead because we'll be getting it that hot. So we might have to clean it. Anyways, you can typically tell by what temperature it melts at.